Imagine waking up one morning at 76 or 78 years old and noticing something unsettling. Your legs feel weaker getting out of bed. The grocery bags you carried easily a few years ago now strain your arms. Even standing up from a chair takes a moment longer than it used to. You might brush it off and tell yourself, this is just aging, but deep down a quiet worry begins to grow. What if this weakness keeps getting worse? What if one day you cannot climb stairs, keep your balance, or live independently anymore? Many seniors believe that muscle loss after 75 is unavoidable. Doctors often say things like, at your age, that's normal, or just try to eat more protein, maybe eggs. And so you do. You add eggs to breakfast, sometimes lunch, maybe even dinner. Yet the weakness does not stop. In fact, for many seniors, it quietly continues. That is when frustration sets in. You are following advice, but your body isn't responding. Here is a truth most seniors are never told. After age 75, your body does not process protein the same way it did at 55 or even 65. The digestive system slows, stomach acid decreases, enzyme production drops. Muscle cells become less responsive to the signals that once told them to grow and repair. This condition is called age-related anabolic resistance. It is one of the biggest hidden reasons seniors keep losing strength, even when they are eating enough protein. That is why today's discussion is so important. There is one seed that works differently inside the aging body, a seed that does not overwhelm digestion, a seed that delivers complete protein in a form aging muscles can actually use, and most importantly, a seed that sends a stronger muscle-preserving signal after 75 than eggs ever could. That seed is hemp. When seniors begin using hemp seeds or hemp seed protein consistently, something interesting often happens. Standing feels easier. Arms feel steadier. Walking feels more confident. Not because they are pushing harder, but because they are finally giving their muscles the right building materials. Let's talk honestly about eggs for a moment. Eggs are often considered the gold standard of protein, and for younger adults, that is mostly true. But after 75, eggs can become less effective. They require strong stomach acid to break down fully, and many seniors no longer produce enough. Much of the protein never reaches the muscle tissue. It passes through the body underutilized. Eggs can also trigger inflammation in some older adults, especially those with cholesterol sensitivity, digestive discomfort, or metabolic issues. Inflammation quietly blocks muscle repair, and eggs lack certain minerals and plant compounds that aging muscles desperately need to activate repair pathways efficiently. Hemp seeds work differently. They contain a complete plant protein with all 9 essential amino acids in a naturally balanced ratio. After 75, balance matters more than sheer quantity. Aging muscles respond better to harmony than overload. Hemp protein is exceptionally easy to digest. It doesn't sit heavily in the stomach or demand aggressive enzyme production. That means more protein reaches the bloodstream and more reaches the muscles where it belongs. What truly makes hemp seeds special for seniors is the nutrients they deliver alongside protein. Magnesium helps muscles relax and contract properly. Zinc supports repair and immune function. Iron aids oxygen delivery. And anti-inflammatory plant compounds calm processes that accelerate muscle loss with age. Another reason muscle loss accelerates after 75 is fear. Fear of falling, fear of injury, fear of intense exercise. And that fear is completely valid. The good news is that muscle can still be rebuilt without heavy weights or extreme workouts. Nutrition is the foundation. When muscles receive the right protein, even gentle movement becomes effective again. Walking, standing from a chair, light balance exercises, and slow stretching suddenly begin sending meaningful signals when hemp protein is present in the body. That is how seniors rebuild strength safely. Hemp seeds don't just support muscle size. They improve muscle quality. That means better balance, better coordination, and better endurance. Seniors often report feeling steadier on their feet. Steadiness matters more than appearance. It protects independence and confidence. You might wonder why hemp seeds are not more widely known. The reason is simple. They are not flashy. They are not patented. They do not come in expensive supplement bottles. And they don't make pharmaceutical companies money. Yet research continues to show that complete plant proteins like hemp are often better suited for aging bodies than animal proteins. Hemp protein also supports stable blood sugar. something many seniors struggle with quietly. It digests slowly and evenly, preventing spikes that interfere with muscle repair. Stable blood sugar means better energy, less fatigue, and fewer inflammatory signals attacking muscle tissue. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how hemp seeds help seniors over 75 rebuild muscle, how much to use, when to use them, and what simple daily habits make them work even better. No gym required, no supplements pushed, just senior-safe, science-backed guidance. To understand why hemp seeds are so effective after 75, we need to look closely at what happens inside aging muscles. Muscle cells do not stop functioning as you age. They become less responsive, a condition known as anabolic resistance. They require stronger, clearer signals to start repairing and rebuilding. This is why many seniors find that traditional protein sources, like eggs, don't have the same effect as they once did. Hemp seeds deliver those signals efficiently. They contain a high proportion of leucine, the amino acid that acts as a key trigger for muscle repair. But unlike isolated animal proteins, hemp delivers leucine alongside arginine and glutamine, which help nutrients enter muscle cells more effectively. This combination works like a team. Leucine flips the switch, while arginine and glutamine carry the tools inside so the muscle can actually rebuild. Mineral deficiencies also play a major role in age-related muscle weakness. Magnesium alone is crucial because it allows muscles to contract and relax properly. Without enough magnesium, coordination and strength decline. Hemp seeds naturally supply magnesium in a form that aging bodies can absorb, improving balance and stability. Zinc is equally important. Without zinc, muscles repair slowly and immune function is compromised. Hemp seeds provide zinc gently, without overwhelming the digestive system, supporting both muscle growth and overall health. Digestion is another key factor. Many seniors experience low stomach acid. This makes animal proteins difficult to break down fully. Undigested protein can pass through the digestive system without benefiting the muscles. Hemp protein, however, begins digesting earlier and more gently, allowing more protein to reach the bloodstream and ultimately the muscles. This is why seniors often feel less bloated or heavy after consuming hemp seeds compared to eggs or other animal proteins. Inflammation is a silent but powerful enemy of muscle health. Chronic low-grade inflammation interferes with the signals muscles need to grow. Hemp seeds contain omega fatty acids and natural antioxidants that help reduce inflammation instead of fueling it. This creates an internal environment where muscles can repair more efficiently. Many seniors notice functional improvements first, even before visible changes. Standing up from a chair feels smoother. Walking requires less effort. Lifting grocery bags or opening jars becomes easier. These functional gains are far more important than appearance because they restore confidence and independence. Hemp protein also supports the muscle-bone connection. Stronger muscles stimulate stronger bones, and stronger bones allow muscles to anchor more securely. This feedback loop enhances posture, stability, and overall mobility. Seniors often notice that they walk taller, feel steadier, and can engage in daily activities with more ease. Timing also matters for optimal results. Many seniors eat most of their protein at dinner, but after 75, the body responds better to protein earlier in the day. Hemp seeds are perfect for breakfast or lunch. Even a small serving provides a steady supply of amino acids, keeping repair pathways active throughout the day. Gentle resistance is sufficient to trigger muscle growth when nutrition is optimized. Chair stands, wall push-ups, light resistance bands, or slow-controlled daily movements activate muscle fibers effectively when combined with hemp protein. Heavy lifting is not necessary. Consistency and proper nutrition matter more than intensity. Energy levels also improve. Hemp protein digests smoothly without straining the digestive system, freeing up energy that the body can use for activity and mental clarity. Seniors often report less afternoon fatigue, improved alertness, and a more positive overall mood. Another overlooked benefit is balance and coordination. Magnesium, potassium, and other minerals in hemp seeds help muscles contract and relax properly, improving nerve-muscle communication. This reduces the shaky feeling some seniors experience and lowers the risk of missteps and falls. Improved coordination also increases confidence, which encourages more movement, creating a virtuous cycle of strength and independence. Hemp protein also has a stabilizing effect on blood sugar. Its slow digestion prevents spikes that can interfere with muscle repair. For seniors with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes, this is especially important. Maintaining steady blood sugar not only protects muscles, but also supports energy levels, mood, and cardiovascular health. Many seniors also notice improvements in mental clarity when incorporating hemp seeds regularly. Stable blood sugar, reduced inflammation, and better nutrient delivery all contribute to sharper thinking, better memory recall, and more consistent focus throughout the day. Feeling physically stronger and mentally alert boosts overall quality of life. Consistency is key. Even small daily servings of hemp seeds outperform occasional large protein portions. The body responds best to a steady supply rather than overload. By spacing protein intake throughout the day, seniors create an ongoing stimulus for muscle repair, maintaining both strength and energy. Hemp protein also pairs well with other nutrients that enhance muscle health. Vitamin D is critical because it helps muscles respond to protein signals more effectively. Many seniors are deficient in vitamin D, so even small sun exposure or guided supplementation can dramatically improve results. Hydration is equally important. Dehydrated muscles do not repair efficiently. Seniors should sip water regularly throughout the day, especially when consuming protein. Proper hydration allows nutrients to circulate more effectively and supports overall energy and mobility. Sleep plays a powerful role in muscle repair. Most recovery happens during deep sleep cycles. Seniors who improve sleep quality often notice better strength gains even without changing their diet significantly. Simple habits such as reducing caffeine late in the day, maintaining a consistent bedtime, and getting morning sunlight support restorative sleep. Now let's make all of this practical. Knowing that hemp seeds work is one thing, but applying them consistently is what truly builds muscle after 75. Seniors who see the best results make hemp seeds part of everyday life, not just an occasional addition to a meal. Morning is the ideal time. After a night of rest, your muscles are especially receptive to nutrients. Adding hemp seeds to breakfast sends an early repair signal that can last for hours. This could be as simple as stirring a tablespoon or two of hemp seeds into oatmeal, yogurt, or a smoothie. Even sprinkling them over whole grain toast with nut butter or fresh fruit works perfectly. The key is small, consistent servings, not a single large portion that your body struggles to digest. Lunch is another excellent opportunity. Many seniors skip protein in the middle of the day, which can lead to afternoon muscle breakdown and energy dips. Adding hemp seeds to soups, salads, or blended meals helps maintain a steady supply of amino acids in the bloodstream. This keeps muscles nourished and supports steady energy for daily activities. Seniors who implement this often report feeling more alert, less fatigued, and more confident in their movements throughout the afternoon. Dinner does not need to be protein-heavy if your earlier meals are supported properly. In fact, after 75, the body often responds better to protein earlier in the day. A light, balanced dinner with vegetables, healthy fats, and a moderate amount of protein is usually sufficient. This approach reduces digestive strain and allows your body to focus on repair rather than digestion during sleep. Vitamin D is a nutrient that amplifies the benefits of hemp protein. Seniors who are deficient often struggle with weaker muscles and lower balance. Even moderate sun exposure or guided supplementation helps muscles respond more efficiently to protein signals. Combining vitamin D with hemp seeds enhances the muscle-building response and supports overall health. Hydration cannot be overlooked. Muscles require adequate water to function and repair. Dehydrated muscles do not respond well to protein intake. Seniors should sip water consistently throughout the day, especially when increasing protein consumption. Proper hydration also supports digestion, nutrient transport, and energy levels. Sleep is equally important. Muscle repair occurs most effectively during deep sleep cycles. Seniors who improve sleep quality by reducing late caffeine intake, keeping a consistent bedtime, and exposing themselves to morning sunlight often notice stronger muscles and better coordination. Combining sleep with proper nutrition and gentle movement maximizes results. Movement is essential, but it does not have to be intense. Long periods of sitting can signal muscles to weaken. Simple daily activities, standing up regularly, walking short distances, gentle stretching, and light resistance exercises activate muscle fibers and keep pathways open. When combined with hemp protein, even these gentle movements become highly effective for rebuilding strength. Avoid ultra-processed protein powders, bars, or drinks filled with additives. These can stress digestion and cause inflammation, which blocks muscle repair. Whole hemp seeds or clean hemp protein powder provide a natural, effective, and easily digestible source of protein. They work with your body, not against it. Hemp protein is heart-friendly, cholesterol-free, and supports healthy blood sugar. Many seniors worry about metabolic health, diabetes, or cardiovascular disease. Hemp seeds digest slowly, preventing spikes that interfere with muscle repair, while providing essential nutrients that support overall health. This makes hemp protein particularly suitable for seniors managing multiple health concerns. Consistency is the ultimate key. Muscle loss after 75 is not inevitable, but regaining strength requires steady habits. Small daily servings of hemp seeds, combined with gentle movement, hydration, vitamin D, and good sleep, create a powerful, sustainable system for rebuilding muscle and maintaining independence. Many seniors notice functional improvements before visible changes occur. Standing from a chair feels smoother, walking feels steadier, arms feel stronger when lifting objects. These functional gains are what truly matter for day-to-day independence and quality of life. Seniors who implement these practices often report renewed confidence, improved mood, and a greater sense of freedom in their daily activities. Hemp seeds also provide mental clarity and support cognitive health indirectly. Stable blood sugar, reduced inflammation, and improved nutrient delivery contribute to sharper thinking, better memory, and improved focus. Feeling physically stronger and mentally sharper reinforces a cycle of activity, confidence, and independence. For long-term success, start small and build a routine. Even a tablespoon of hemp seeds in the morning and another at lunch can create meaningful improvements over weeks. Gradually, seniors can adjust the amount according to their comfort and digestive tolerance. The goal is consistency and sustainability, not extremes. Pairing hemp seeds with other healthy foods magnifies their effect. Incorporate them with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. This combination enhances nutrient absorption, reduces inflammation, and supports energy. Seniors who adopt a balanced, nutrient-rich diet alongside hemp protein often notice the best results in mobility, strength, and confidence. Over time, these practices protect independence. Muscle strength supports balance, reduces fall risk, and improves endurance for daily activities such as walking, shopping, and social engagement. Maintaining muscle health also supports joint stability and prevents injuries, further enhancing quality of life. Remember, the goal is not just to build muscle for appearance, it's about functional strength, safety, and independence. Hemp seeds provide the protein, minerals, and anti-inflammatory compounds your muscles need to respond to gentle movement, recover effectively, and function optimally. By integrating hemp seeds into daily meals, practicing light movement, maintaining hydration, supporting vitamin D levels, and prioritizing sleep, seniors can achieve remarkable improvements in strength, energy balance, and overall well-being, without heavy lifting, extreme diets, or risky exercises. If you found this information helpful, take a moment to like this video, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe to Senior Health today. Strength, stability, and independence are achievable at any age, one simple, sustainable habit at a time. Thank you for spending this time with me. Remember, your body is still capable of rebuilding and repairing. With hemp seeds, gentle movement, and consistent care, your best years of strength, mobility, and independence can still be ahead. You deserve to live fully, confidently, and independently, no matter your age.